Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Apply this paste on your underarms. All hair will fall down and will never come back. Body hair on delicate parts are typical. They are there to secure our skin from external damage. Nevertheless, women discover them very troubling, particularly undesirable hair present over face and underarms. Today I will share with you two simple methods. You just follow them 2-3 times a week and all unwanted hairs will disappear permanently. Turmeric paste. Ingredients required: ½ cup turmeric powder. Rose water can be replaced with plain milk. Warm water, a towel. The process to follow: add all the ingredients to make a thick turmeric paste. Apply the well-stirred paste onto the underarm hair. Works best with thinner underarm hair and leave it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash off with the towel, which has been soaked in warm water. Pat dry and repeat the treatment to loosen hair follicles and thus remove the hair. Baking soda water. For this remedy, you will need baking soda, water. Make a paste of baking soda with a little bit of water. Make sure your paste is not very runny, otherwise it will not stay for long on your skin. Before going to bed, apply this paste all over your underarms. Leave it overnight. Wash this area next morning. Apply moisturizer as baking soda will dry out your skin. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.